Are you ready to discover the best fishing kayaks on the market? If you're a fishing enthusiast, you know that the right kayak can totally transform your experience. Whether you're navigating calm lakes, slow rivers, or coastal waters, picking the perfect kayak is crucial. The right choice will enhance your comfort, stability, and overall fishing experience. But with so many options available, how do you decide which one is the best? Let's break down the top kayaks, compare them head to head, and find out which one takes the crown as the ultimate fishing vessel. Number 5, Pelican Catch Mode 110. Starting off strong, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 is a solid contender. At 10 feet 8 inches in length and 34.5 inch in width, this sit-on-top kayak is built for stability, and the tunnel hull design is perfect for anglers who want to stand and cast comfortably. It's equipped with an ErgoBoost seating system that ensures you'll stay comfortable even during long fishing sessions. The seat can be adjusted to give you a higher vantage point, perfect for a better field of vision, and it includes an EVA seat pad and underseat storage for convenience. What makes this kayak stand out, however, is the storage capacity and the 3-rod holders. The kayak also features a stern-retractable skeg, which improves tracking in windy conditions, as well as anti-slip pads with a built-in ruler, which is great for quick measurements of your catch. Weighing 67 pounds and supporting up to 375 pounds, it's versatile for most anglers. In real-life use, many users have praised its stability in choppy waters and the comfort of the seat, which allows for prolonged fishing sessions without discomfort. However, while it's impressive in many areas, is it the best overall? Let's continue exploring to find out. Number 4, Lifetime Tamarack Pro. Next up, the Lifetime Tamarack Pro 103 stands out with its design focused on comfort and stability. Measuring 10 feet 3 inches long, this sit-on-top kayak features a flat bottom and deep tracking channels that help it maintain excellent stability and maneuverability, even when the water gets choppy. It's perfect for anglers who need a kayak that can handle varying water conditions. The kayak includes an adjustable framed seat and footrests, so you can customize your comfort during long trips on the water. Storage isn't an issue either. There's a center storage hatch with a bucket, a deep tank well with bungee cords, and underseat storage for your tackle box. The universal tracking mount allows you to customize the kayak with additional accessories, which is a major perk. In real-life use, the Tamarack Pro is appreciated for its solid performance and comfort. However, some users have reported minor quality control concerns, such as unattached foot braces upon delivery or small scratches on the hull. Despite these concerns, this kayak is still reliable and affordable, making it an excellent choice for serious anglers. While the Tamarack Pro 103 delivers solid features for the price, is it better than the others on this list? Let's see what the next kayak brings to the table. Number 3, Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 Pedal Fishing Kayak. The Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 pedal fishing kayak is a game-changer for anglers who are tired of paddling and want the convenience of pedal-powered propulsion. At 10 feet 6 inches long and 36 inch wide, this kayak offers superior stability and easy maneuverability. The PDL drive system allows for instant forward and reverse propulsion, making it an excellent choice for hands-free fishing. This feature gives you more control while you're trying to reel in a big one. Comfort-wise, it features an adjustable element seating system that provides excellent lumbar support and ventilation, ideal for long fishing trips. Storage options are abundant: a large front hatch, a spacious rear tank well secured with bungee cords, and underseat storage for all your gear. Add in the multiple rod holders, accessory mounting tracks, and non-slip EVA foam deck pads, and it's clear that this kayak was built with serious anglers in mind. In real-life scenarios, the Sportsman PDL 106 has been praised for its stability and overall performance, particularly in different water conditions. However, it is slightly heavier than some other models, which can make transportation a bit tricky. If you're after a kayak that lets you fish hands-free and provides top-notch stability, the Sportsman PDL 106 might be your best bet. But is it the best for all types of anglers? Let's take a look at what else is out there. Number 2, Intex Excursion Pro K2. If you're someone who loves portability, the Intex Excursion Pro K2 inflatable kayak might just be the kayak for you. This 12.7-foot inflatable kayak is versatile, durable, and a great option for those looking for a portable, two-person kayak. Made with super tough 3-ply PVC, it's resistant to abrasion, impact, and sunlight, which ensures you'll have a long-lasting kayak for multiple seasons. The Excursion Pro K2 comes with adjustable bucket seats, integrated footrests, and fishing rod holders on each side for added convenience. At 12.7 feet, it offers excellent stability, making it suitable for calm or slightly choppy waters. What really makes this kayak stand out is its high-pressure inflation system, which makes the kayak more rigid and stable. It also comes with removable skegs, which allow for optimal maneuverability in both shallow and deep waters. In real-life use, users report quick and easy inflation. It's ready for action in just over 5 minutes. Compared to other inflatable kayaks, such as the Intex Explorer K2, the Excursion Pro K2 offers better durability and more features like integrated footrests and rod holders. This kayak is perfect for those who want a portable kayak that's reliable and feature-packed, making it a great choice for recreational paddlers and anglers alike. Number 1, Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. Finally, taking the top spot is the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100, which is widely regarded as one of the best value fishing kayaks. This budget-friendly sit-on-top kayak is perfect for anglers who are looking for stability and key features without breaking the bank. At 10 feet long and 30 inches wide, it's a great beginner kayak, offering solid stability and easy maneuverability. One of the highlights of this kayak is its flat bottom with deep tracking channels, which improves maneuverability and tracking in various water conditions. The kayak features 2 flush-mounted rod holders behind the seat, a swivel rod holder on the side, and multiple footrest positions for comfort. There are also 2 storage hatches, offering plenty of room for gear. Weighing about 52 pounds, the Tamarack Angler 100 is relatively light, but it still provides a stable platform for anglers. It's ideal for day trips on calm waters, and for the price, it offers excellent performance. While it may lack some of the more advanced features of higher-end models, it provides everything you need for a successful fishing trip at a fraction of the cost. So, which kayak is the ultimate winner? After breaking down all of these kayaks, the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 takes the win as the best overall fishing kayak. It offers the perfect balance of price, performance, and stability, making it a great option for beginners and casual anglers alike. Whether you're fishing on calm lakes, rivers, or heading to your favorite spot, the Tamarack Angler 100 offers all the essentials without the hefty price tag. What do you think? Have you used any of these kayaks? Which one would you choose for your next fishing adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome kayaking tips and reviews. No matter which kayak you choose, the right one will make all the difference in your fishing experience. Here's to many successful days on the water, making memories and landing your biggest catch.